Alright guys, welcome back. We are now here once again with Ali for 5 bits with. You guys already know how we do this. We get 5 bits. Today I'm on location, so I haven't given him a list of things to pull. He just pulled 5 bits that he thinks we'll be interested in, and we're going to go through them. So if you wouldn't mind, the first bit, and then we can show the people and talk about it.
Okay, first bit is this cotton nylon shadow project.
Oh, how beautiful.
A hooded jacket.
Okay, I'll show the people, and if you just tell the people a little bit more about this then.
Okay, so I guess why I like it, I like understated pieces.
Yeah.
So obviously shadow project, in my mind, that's kind of why they did it maybe?
Yeah, definitely.
You might know more about it than...
Yeah, no, that's why they did it. So it's more like that sort of camouflage, you know, understated, so everything blends in. Yeah, as if you're in the army and about to, you know.
Yeah, cool. So maybe you're like a Marine, or you're like a SAS in this, right? It just looks so sick when it's on. It's got the badge obviously like that conceals a bit like that.
Beautiful.
It's got these kind of like scooped. You want to get it closer?
Yes, excellent.
It's got these like scooped details.
I know, like the little curvatures on the pockets.
Where
and
the buttons are, and
yes.
even the pocket itself.
Ah, yeah,
like
yeah.
That.
Love that. You see?
So
see
when you're wearing it, it's going to drop a bit like lower like that.
Yeah.
It's got the perfect like collar length.
Yep, perfect. As you can see up there, guys. Boom. Right there to the, I would say maybe roof of the neck, base of the neck, not roof of the neck. Yeah.
You'll be able to see if you look at it online on my store, which is www.ajpgshop.com.
Boom.
You'll see the fit pics and it just fits really nice.
It's a beautiful, and it feels really nice, guys, like heavyweight, and it's got this sort of just imagine lots of little dots, raised dots, and then you put your hand, braille, perfect, like braille. Let's show them again so you can see. It's like braille, like if you see that, I don't know if you can see, let me just move this, there, you see that? Like Goosebumps, imagine Goosebumps but on a jacket. That's what it reminds me of. Goosebumps.
All over.
All over, exactly.
And then in true shadow project style, it's got like a concealed, the drawstrings like
of course, yes.
So
perfect.
For like you were saying, it feels like a stealth bomber. This jacket, like a everything about it stealth.
Yeah, everything is stealth, and it's beautiful. Again, you know, that nice, the black label there, of course, different from your black ghost label. It's got that more satinous. I've just made up a word, which I like. That satinous feel. I do this all the time. I just make up words on the fly. Really good piece.
I haven't figured out. I'm sure. So you could just button it. You can just button it once, twice.
Ah, yes.
See how sick that is.
That is dope.
Again,
Yeah.
And then you could just wear it more like relaxed.
Really nice.
It's got the double zip as well.
Of course, love that. I'm just seeing drawstring. Okay, so let me just show you.
Yeah, so it's called Knit, which is I think cotton nylon blend.
I was just checking to see if there was any, you know, for like a liner, but it doesn't come with a liner. Let me just show you guys. So my fat fingers. There you go.
Yeah. I'm pretty convinced it's a spring-summer one.
Yeah, it doesn't come because there's no adjustments or anything in there. Look, is that an inside pocket as well? It just keeps on giving.
Yeah, there's loads to that, yeah.
Wow, what a beautiful piece. I love this. And where did you pick it up from and when?
I can't remember.
Was it like a bulk or from a collector or?
I think this was from a personal
collection.
Yeah, collection. And I picked it up recently. Month or so ago.
Very nice pickup, beautiful pickup, gorgeous. And what's this going for?
$5.50 on the site.
Gorgeous, beautiful piece. Yeah, definitely. I mean, yeah, worth it, guys. If you trust me, the quality is on point. The build is beautiful. Condition is great. Yeah, definitely a worthy piece. Love that.
Nice. Number 2, I'm going to go for a knitwear.
Ooh.
By CP Knitwear.
Shout out the knitwear gang. Shout out the knitwear gang.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
So I'm big into knitwear. I think, to be fair, most people probably are.
Yeah.
I just chose this one because I think it's pretty underrated. A CP company knitwear.
Little knitwear there. So you got your lens viewer there. Of course, you've got your nylon. It's like a nylon pockety arm pocket. Got cotton body, nylon pockets right there. I don't know if they're nylon, but I call them nylon. And of course, you've got that zip strip there with the like your Stone Island pull strip. Like, I forget what the jacket is I have, but it has, you know, Stone Island normally do that pull there, and of course you've got the black zip. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So really, really nice. So tell me about this piece. So you like, what is it? You like the build, just the mix of materials, colour?
If it fit me, I'd be like really interested in keeping it.
Yeah.
It's all the things you said. The colour, it's like bright white, like Snow White.
Nice cuffs.
The details, like around the zip.
Yeah.
I think the fit's going to be really nice on the right person.
For sure.
And I just think it looks really sick.
Yeah, for sure. And would you, so let's just say you've got someone in, you're styling them. Are you styling this on someone big, small, exact?
I think I'm going for like a tight fit on that
Tight
one.
fit, like that, because of the shape of it. Yeah, it makes sense. It's like
kind of crop sitting above their jeans.
Yeah.
Kind of maybe makes them look a bit wham.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I was thinking. It would definitely put the arms in on show. Do you know what I mean? Yeah. Give you a little bit of body.
And then like a bigger jean with it.
Okay, nice.
Look cool,
Yeah, dope. Really like that, guys. Beautiful piece. Piece number 2.
I think that's like 125, 135 on the site.
Not bad at all. Do you know what I mean? Once again, everything in here is good quality and condition. Obviously, the brands will have the quality. The condition is what you're worried about, people. So the condition is excellent.
Okay, number 2. So here's number 3. Gone for a Prada.
Ooh, look at the sheen on that.
Brown nylon feeler. It's just, I can't believe how they made it feel like that. It has a red tab, I think, there.
Yes, that is beautiful. And do you know what? It's like, you know, when those jackets, the way you pick it up and you're like, yeah, you know, like a new Silk Light or something. You know that material where you think, oh my God, I better be careful because if I snag this, I'll be gone. But look at it. Look how beautiful it is.
Crazy, yeah, it just feels like...
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Like
guys, feel it through the camera. Feel it. Look at the sheen. Look at the softness. You know what kind of material this is. That's super soft. Let me give you a close-up of the old Prada label right there. You've got your zips. You know what I'm saying? Prada Sport, obviously.
Yeah, like I said, what I like about it the most is how it feels.
Yeah.
And then the colour, like dark brown, is like super popular. Whether it's like a Stone Island knitwear or something.
Okay, yeah,
dark brown, just people are after that. So,
oh really? Okay.
For good reason, I think.
Yeah. I guess you want your autumnal, that word I could never say without repeating it. Okay, and when did you pick this one up and what year is it from, would you say?
I can't remember the year, I might say.
Let's see if our old test works.
Like we checked earlier, 2009.
Perfect, you see the test does work, guys. You check the label. Check the label. Let me be very soft and gentle with it because it is delicate. Check the label, it should say somewhere around there. Ask the expert, don't ask me. Yeah, really, really nice. I could see like a girl in this, you know what I mean?
Just, really, to a girl,
yeah, like a guy could wear, of course, it's just because it's quite small and compact that a girl could wear a little bit over or just, you know, perfectly fit.
No, 100%, I think it'll be good for a girl.
Yeah, for 100%. Sure. Ladies, cool. I know ladies watch my show, so, you know, it's fine. Cool. Okay, that was number 3. Ooh.
Number 4, I'm going to go with this one. This is a 2009 piece.
Nice.
So I've gone for this one. I've got 2 of these. This is the medium.
Very nice.
It's much more faded than the large.
Yeah.
But like we were saying earlier, I feel like that adds to this piece.
Oh yeah, for sure, man. Definitely. Let's just see. Alright, guys, have a look at this, man. Super nice. Of course, you got pocket there, perfect. You could put your skis in this one, put your little chalet in that one, it's perfect. This side here, maybe keep the kids. This side here, you put your little minivan, and you know, you're good for holiday. You know what I'm saying? Magic pockets.
What I like about this one is the back of the hood. It's like that canvas.
Oh yeah, it's a bit sort of canvassy.
Yeah.
Oh nice, and you've got a little adjustment.
Comes with that adjustment strap.
Look at that, guys. Super dope. Let me give you a focus. And this, you hear the difference in material too. So this is kind of smoother, a bit more David TC, not quite, but you know. And this is more, you know, canvassy.
That's like a brushed cotton. No?
Yeah, brushed cotton. Yeah, no.
Also, what I like about this one is the zip on the zip pocket down here. Yeah.
Beautiful.
We'll put it that way if you like.
Yeah.
I think that's a real
love that
detail,
nice little stash pocket there, guys.
Let me know what you think about the fade on that one.
Yeah, I will do. The fade that like is beautiful, especially like on the hood. Yeah.
Compared to that one, so that one's the large.
Yeah, you see, this one's definitely nicer because again, I prefer the fade because look, even this arm is looking a little bit more, you know, different to that. Yeah. So and the arms actually look like they're different colours.
Yeah.
To the actual body. So
which I quite like.
Yeah, I love that.
Obviously, some people don't, but.
Yeah, I think because we're still trying to get perfect, but perfect is overrated nowadays.
Overrated, I think,
yeah, unless it's brand new. Like I think you should let the age, you know, show. And of course, you've got that nice quilted kind of body right there. Very nice.
Stood the test of time as well.
Yeah, gorgeous.
Cool.
Gorgeous piece.
Right, last one. I thought I would do a bit of colour.
Oh, we like it.
Because obviously we've done pretty monotone, but this piece I think is crazy.
I love it.
Yeah,
I love it.
It's like an old CP, but maybe it's 2005.
Wow.
Something like that. It's got like dual cuffs as well.
Yeah, yeah. Gorgeous.
Double zips.
And the material's crazy, heavyweight.
Kind of scuba material.
Guys, have a look. You know what I mean? Bit of lime. Bit of lime for your bike. Super nice. Obviously, like the zip strip is, I think it's yellow. Is that yellow?
Yeah,
the yellowy zip strip, and that follows around the other zip strips there. Of course, you got on the caffages right there. Super, super nice. Made in Italy, of course. Dope. Gotta love it. Really, really nice piece, man.
It's quite simple.
Yeah, very simple, but perfect for like your.
Again, like unbranded as well.
Yeah, yeah.
Which I quite like.
Of course, you got your labels in there, guys, as usual. You can't see a thing because it's quite old, faded. It is marked as a large, if you can see. Very, very nice.
If it's faded, then I've made up the 2005, but I would say it's probably about 2005.
Super nice.
Just on rough guess.
I love this colour, man.
Yeah.
Really nice.
What do you also the distressing? What do you think about that? I think it's the same as the faded.
See, yeah, again,
some people will be.
Yeah, things like this bother me a bit more.
Yeah.
Just because, you know, it's the piping and stuff, so it bothers me a bit more. Okay. However, it you know, if you're talking age, like that's not really gonna, because your hand's gonna be it's in a place where it's not too crazy. No. So yeah, like it's just certain things. Yeah, like I understand people might be a bit, but you know, if the piece is really that nice, to be honest, it's part of the world, isn't it? It's
just part of it. Like that's why they did distressed jeans, right? Because the jeans naturally got distressed over time. People thought it looked cool.
Yeah,
and
and then people started doing the big squares out.
Yeah, so this is just an example of that. It's like just natural wear that makes it look a bit cooler.
I agree.
In my opinion.
No, I agree. And again, like I said, with age, things should show their age, you know. It's like, you know, you get antiques, they show their age, they're not all pristine. 100%. You know, obviously you don't want a big scratch in the middle of grandma's table, but you know, it comes with it. So yeah, really beautiful piece to end on, nice and bright, yeah, super dope. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed the 5 pieces with my man Ali. Thank you so much, much appreciated. I actually made a faux pas. I normally start these things with gratitude, so I just want to say thank you for having me down. I really appreciate it. You didn't have to do this. I'm sure you've got more important things to do, so thank you for showing me around, and also thank you for pulling 5 pieces for us. And guys, I hope you've enjoyed it. Yeah, please check out the website, the links, I'll put it down. Check out the showroom if you get a chance, and if you're local, and bring your checkbook, cards, crypto, whatever it is that you need to pay with, you know, just don't pay with any people. We don't do human trafficking. All right, guys? All right. So on that note, guys, stay dull, stay fly, and I'll catch you on the flip side. Peace.
Thank you.